Hi guys, it's Debbie. Today I'm going to do a little chore chart that I made up for my little grandson Isaiah. And I just wanted to show you his little Paw Patrol potty chair, which we just put in the bathroom. So it's right next to the toilet so he can feel like a big boy. And then here's this chart. Now, I have terrible handwriting. Hang on. Let me get out here. I have terrible handwriting because I have carpal tunnel, neuropathy, whatever in my hand. So please don't, pay attention to that. And we're just doing this on a whim because we're trying to get Isaiah potty trained. And I'm just using items from around the house. Now, he got the potty chair, I think, for Christmas. And he's used it a few times here and there. But we're trying to get him on a routine. So I just got out this dry erase board that I had in the kids' toy box that I've had from every grandchild I've had has used this if they lived in New York, but if they don't live in New York, they haven't. But so that's how old this is. And my oldest granddaughter is gonna be 10. But anyway, and then I found his little Paw Patrol lunch pail, so we're gonna use that, and his Legos, and the dry erase markers, and a little like takeout thing you get at the store. But so I just wrote this up kind of like, it's just a rough copy. Maybe his mom, my daughter-in-law, she might want to fix it or change it. And I thought we'd just start with like AM, midday, and night, so that in the morning he could try to go midday and night, And then he can get a star or something we can put on there if he does it. And then we could use these for like if he actually goes, he can get the green one, and red if he tries but can't go. And if he doesn't go, and then we're going to get the blue ones too, because I think we need one for going in there and trying, one for if he goes, pee-pee, one for poo-poo, and one if he tries but nothing happens, but at least he tried. And then at the end of the week, we'll get him a special treat or something. And that's what I had to do with my youngest son. I raised 4 boys. And one thing I learned, one major important thing, is consistency and routine. That's what gets kids doing things. So if we can get them on a consistent, thing and on a routine, we'll get them going. And my 4th son, Jordan, who's just turned 24, he was of course, my last son, but he was my last son, and I had 3 older sons, so I thought it would be easiest for him, but he was the latest one to get potty trained, but he'll probably kill me for saying that. But anyway, so I used the point of that story was I used a little sticker chart, and I told him what big gift or surprise would you want if you learn how to go potty, and Mommy will get it for you if you go. So after a couple of weeks of going, he said he wanted a Lion King movie, so that's what he got. And that's what we're going to ask Isaiah what he wants and see what he wants to get. And then if he does good and, keeps trying hard, we'll get him a surprise at the end. And this just goes to show you that you don't have to go out and buy all the arts and crafts and all these things. I mean, it's nice for some people who like to do that, and I'm not patient person or a crafty person, I guess you could call it. But I just went around the house and found this out, and it's going to work for us. And it didn't cost me a dime. We already had all this stuff around the house. And then when he fills this up, this little container, he can start filling this up. That's when he'll get the surprise once he gets that filled up. And I hope it works. I hope it helps people. So if it does, let me know. And share my video if you think this might help someone. And like I said, I'm not no professional with this stuff. Look at my horrible handwriting and my lines. My blue marker wasn't even working. And anyways, and one marker's missing. But anyways, try this out. And yeah, so I'm just a grandma I had 4 boys. I have 8 grandchildren now, and I have 2 on the way. And so yeah, so gotta do what we gotta do. And don't worry about going out and buying all that fancy stuff, because they're gonna get potty trained so fast it will just been a waste of money anyways. But if you do that, of course, it's fun, and I'm not putting you down for that, because sometimes there are some things where I like to do bigger, you know, for crafts and stuff. But kids grow so fast. They go through things so fast. Might as well use their things around the house. And Isaiah loves these Legos. He will play with these Legos morning, noon, and night. When he's happy, when he's sad, when he's in a grumpy mood, I say, Isaiah, go build Nana a castle. And he'll go over and build a castle. And one day he'll say, I'm making a doctor's office, Nana. So he just loves these Legos. So hopefully these Legos will help inspire him. And I hope this inspires you too. So if you like this video, click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I usually do things about cooking. And sometimes some kid things and some little doggy things. But subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. I love all my viewers. I love all my subscribers. Thank you for taking out time to watch my videos and just, you know, showing your love. Thanks, guys, and be blessed.